I need your advice on Viking refrigerator troubleshooting.
A lot of Viking fridges have the power failure alarm go off when you initially install it as a quality check.
It isn't new.
If the power went out, expect the power failure alarm to go off. You can reset the alarms using the on-off button on the keypad some of the smaller Viking fridges have.
You'd expect a power outage to reset the control board and fix most errors, since so many expensive fridges are essentially cool PCs with space for ice cream.
The True Protect system is system monitoring and that stays on unless you disable it. If you want to disable it and a lot of the alarms with it, you hold down the set button on the keypad for 5 seconds to turn it off.
I want it on, if my fridge has that. And that doesn't fix the door ajar alarm.
The door ajar alarm you fix by closing the fridge or turning off the appliance. You could try power cycling the fridge to fix the error messages, though you'll get a power failure alarm again.
At least that alarm would be legitimate.
Viking fridges also have beeping codes to try to tell you there is a problem. 5 quick beeps means the thermistor is bad.
What is a thermistor?
Temperature monitoring sensor.
They just do not want to call it a thermostat, do they?
The thermistor may not be bad but its power supply may be, which could cause the same error.
I can check the wiring harness for the wrong resistance via an ohmmeter, as well as the sensor. Don't know what to do to test a power supply except replace it.
At least it is cheaper to replace than the control board.
Replacing a control board is a sizable fraction of the cost of a new fridge, especially since a warranty doesn't cover labor.
Viking fridges have problems with the seals leaking. And if it has had multiple seal leaks, you're at risk of internal supports in the fridge rusting.
If the leaks are that bad, I'm at risk of mold well before anything rusts.
The only consolation is that the Viking dishwashers have problems with leaks too.
How is that a consolation?
At least they are consistent in their design flaws.
I think my Viking fridge has a condensation heater to reduce humidity or condensate in the fridge.
Those often do not work, though other manufacturers have problems with the defrost heaters.
I'd rather mop up condensate than a flood from the freezer.